Biopharming, turning plants into medicine factories. Imagine plants producing life-saving medicines. Biopharming is a biotech marvel that uses genetically modified plants to grow pharmaceutical compounds like vaccines, antibodies, and proteins. Instead of drug factories, we now have plant factories revolutionizing healthcare and agriculture alike. Scientists insert specific genes into plants, engineering them to produce desired medical compounds. These plants are then cultivated, harvested, and processed to extract the medicine. This method is not only innovative but also eco-friendly, scalable, and cost-effective compared to traditional pharmaceutical production. Biopharming can make life-saving medicines accessible to more people worldwide. During pandemics, vaccines can be mass-produced faster and at a lower cost. Beyond healthcare, it's reshaping agriculture, tackling food insecurity, and pioneering bio-based industrial materials. The possibilities are endless. From treating diseases to providing sustainable solutions, biopharming opens doors to a greener, healthier future. However, proper regulation and public understanding are essential to ensure widespread adoption and ethical practices in this cutting-edge field. Curious about the incredible science behind biopharming? Join the movement to learn more. Share this video and see how nature and technology are coming together to transform lives. Don't forget to subscribe for more biotech innovations and updates.